Let's be real. The Windows 11 right-click menu is a productivity killer. That extra click for show more options is just annoying. But what if I told you that you can fix this forever with just one single command? No software, no registry hunting, let's do it. First, hit Start and type CMD. Make sure you right-click and run as administrator. This is important. Now copy the command from the description below and simply paste it here. Wait, it's not done yet. Open your Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, and hit Restart. Your screen will flicker for a second, but don't worry. That's just Windows applying the magic. Boom. Look at that. The classic right-click menu is back, and that annoying extra click is gone for good. And hey, if you ever want to go back to the original Windows 11 look, just run the delete command I've put in the description. It's that simple. If this saved your time, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which menu you prefer. Subscribe for more straight-to-the-point PC tips. Do this. Thank me later, dude. See ya.